Join me as I take on the challenge of making her yearn for more without coming off too strong. Creating desire and attraction in a way that feels natural and non-aggressive is an art that can be mastered. It's about understanding the fine line between showing interest and not coming off too strong. When done right, it can make all the difference in building a deeper connection with someone. Many of us have been there. We're in a relationship or trying to get into one, and we struggle to maintain that spark. We want to keep things exciting, but we don't want to come off as desperate or overly aggressive. It's a delicate balance to strike. I think a lot of people struggle with this because they're not sure how to keep things interesting without overdoing it. One common mistake is over-texting or over-calling. You might be thinking, hey, I just want to show my interest, but the truth is, it can come off as clingy. On the other hand, not communicating enough can make the other person feel like you're not interested. Finding that sweet spot is crucial. I've noticed that when I'm too available, it actually makes the other person less interested. So, how do we create that intrigue and desire without overdoing it? For starters, building an emotional connection is key. When you can tap into someone's emotions and make them feel understood, that's when the real connection happens. Subtle body language also plays a huge role. A gentle touch or a warm smile can go a long way in making someone feel more connected to you. And lastly, fostering independence is crucial. When you have your own life and interests, it makes you more attractive. The moment you realize that aggressive tactics aren't getting you the results you want is a turning point. It's when you understand that it's not about being the center of attention all the time, but about being someone who adds value to the other person's life. This shift in perspective can change how you approach relationships. You start to see that it's not a game of cat and mouse, but a genuine connection. When you focus on building something real, the results are much more fulfilling. To sum it up, creating desire and attraction without being aggressive is all about balance. It's about building emotional connections, being aware of your body language, and maintaining your independence. When you get it right, you'll notice a significant difference in how people respond to you. If you've had experiences where you've managed to create that spark without overdoing it, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. And if you're looking to enhance your relationship skills even further, be sure to check out my next video where we'll dive into more tips and tricks.